Okay, this is State of Florida versus Casey Anthony, Day 13 on 6/8/2011. State witness Kristen Brewer, been with Osceola County Sheriff's for 16 years, been handling canines since 2005, and she now handles Bones, who Deputy Rickenbach used to handle because they had a need for just a cadaver dog. Knows Bones' background. He came from Orange County. When she received Bones, he had already been trained. She is responsible for records. She's responsible for the records even before 2005 on Bones, and responsible for maintaining Bones' records since 2005. From 11/7 to 11/13/2005, wanted to make sure Bones could identify odors. Training sessions. Some of the targets were known by her, and some were not known. Instructor said he did very well. Bones has been trained on human blood, bones, tissue, semen, and placenta. Bones is rewarded with a tennis ball. Bones' history for human remains. 8/23/05 called out for search, no alert. Deceased dog found. 5/1/2006, no alert. Dead animal found. 5/10/2006, no alert. Deceased dog found. 9/5/06, no alert. Dead possum found. 6/6/09, no alert. Small animal remains found. No false alerts. Have alerts where human remains were found. 3/31/07, alerted, located several small bone fragments. 10/8/2007, info of possible body buried in woods, and alerted on the area where a body was dug up. 10/28/07, elderly female that had not been heard from. Bones alerted on the exterior wall where female was found on the other side deceased. 11/30/07, landfill, all manners of garbage. Several days searching, alerted to comforter that a baby had been born on. 3/26/2008, skull skeleton had been found. He was able to find human bones. 5/14/2009, water search, young male not found. Boat search, and alerted to an area. Drop buoy and dive team found drowned victim. 2/9/2010, body burned, alerted to where body was located. 12/20/2010, two bodies buried in the same hole for over 2 years or in an orange grove, and he alerted and bodies were uncovered. 7/17/2008, walk through gate. Now this is at the Anthony home. Walk to the backyard of the Anthonys. 3 to 4 minutes of searching, kept going back to a specific area. Finally, he went back to area and gave final alert. Indication was that he sat. Trained final alert in the area of the playhouse. Returned next day, changed the landscape quite a bit, no alert. Opinion to why could have been moved, destroyed, or disturbed. Defense cross. State witness Sandra Osborne. And the reason why I don't have anything for defense cross is because, again, it's just basically the same old thing, just different day, basically repeating everything that the prosecution had gone over. State witness Sandra Osborne, computer examiner, detective from Orange County, has testified before in a court case, accepted as an expert in computer forensic analysis, examined Casey Anthony's cell phone, did not find any calls to or from a Zenaida Gonzalez, don't recall whether laptop was on or off when it was received by her, and it didn't. They asked if it mattered. She said it doesn't matter if it is on or off. It has to be off when she pulls the hard drive anyways. And she also received an HP computer on 7/18/2008 on 12:13 p.m. Computer time and date was 7/18 to 12:13 p.m. So it was accurate. She talks about what kind of applications were on the HP. At this point, Casey just has this normal, or this point, Casey is reading, looking down, or writing stuff, head down, not really paying attention to the testimony. She did find references to Zenaida Fernandez Gonzalez in temporary internet file on hard drive. User account that went there, date and time. People search class reunion on 7/16/08. Did not find a reference prior to 7/16/08. Found a lot of internet history. Rico 23 was the password. Was set March of 2008. Chloroform was searched on HP. Received a computer from Ricardo Morales on 10/28/2008. Defense Cross brings up photos of Ricardo's MySpace with win her over with chloroform. Casey, during Defense Cross, Casey is paying close attention. If it was deleted and overwritten on his hard drive, she would not have found it on his computer. State redirect. They went to lunch recess. Casey laughing and joking around with IS before court resumes. State witness Kevin Stenger, Sergeant of Computer Crimes for Orange County, with Orange County for 25 years, has testified in both state and federal cases, accepted as expert in computer forensic analysis, talked about dates and times that chloroform was searched on the Anthony computer. Defense Cross, search was done for chloroform and was on a specific page about chloroform for 10 seconds, then went to MySpace. State redirect. Defense recross, cannot read what was on the page since all of the written info was not there. State witness, John Bradley, owner of SciQuest Software Company since 2001, accepted as an expert in computer forensic analysis. His software Catch makes up for difference in time. Wikipedia's selection from Google about chloroform went through a bunch of information of Casey's home computer, and it was very technical, very boring. Defense Cross have discussed pay, but he's not concerned about it. Self-defense was looked up on Wikipedia. Head injuries was looked up on Anthony's computer. Rupture spleen, chest trauma, internal bleeding, hypovolemia. Then Facebook lookup history on Anthony's home computer. Don't know all the info from web page and link. State redirect. He was contacted to decode www.chloroform. Was searched 84 times. Defense recross, jury in recess. Again, Casey's laughing, talking to lawyers. My next video will be on day 13.